Guys, Paul here from Dodgy Motor Garage, and as you know, we've been working on MC22s for the past 25 years, right? So we see a lot of stuff, but this has blown me out of the water. So meet Dirty Diana. Now the things on this I've seen, you would have seen my video, hey, go on mate, about the wiring, electrical tape. So this is the bike. Now as I'm trying to rectify all these creative electrical wiring issues, I found this gem. I'll show you. So in the process to tidy up this wiring for the rectifier, I've had to rejig this harness in the right path, comes out through here, right? There's 3 wires and it goes somewhere here. Okay, that's not too bad. Same on the other side. There you go, look, just spin the wire around and then tape it up on this side. That's what was in behind the tape, and there's more tape there and there's more tape there, and then it just keeps going. So, tail piece, right? Undo that, right? To show you something. Now, I found that's how it was fitted. First they ground the nuts on the inside there. They put this tail light bracket upside down, then managed, I'm not sure you can see that, they've managed to drill and tap and thread and screw that in. That's how it was sitting in there. To give you a point of reference, that's how the bracket should be. And then your tail piece slides over that, and then you see you've got those like welded square nut things. They've ground them down so they can screw this bracket on there. I was like, wow. And then I come along here, this is bike. So this is the side stand switch. Somewhere along this line, they've cut the wires and decided spade terminals are good enough. No wonder it doesn't work. And they've just mounted it out here to catch on whatever. The wires for the clutch switch has been shunted together so you can start this bike and go through this bike to make sure it's all mechanically A1 and go from there. So after pulling those wires, extension wires apart, the wiring is actually still good. Just ignore the 2 blue wires. Someone's used 2 right blinkers, but it's long enough, it works. Power light in the right path, and I found some old rubbers. So I'm just gonna put that back together. So now it's gonna sit like that as it should, all nice and dandy. Now I've just thrown some tech screws. I went into the pre-existing hole, so don't freak out. I can't do much with this under tray where the blinkers mount to. You can see on there, it's completely gone. So whoever buys this bike, you'll have to fix that. I hope you guys enjoy that. And